Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook potatoes in the microwave. This method is incredibly fast and perfect for a quick meal. First, choose medium-sized potatoes, ideally weighing between 6 and 8 ounces each. Make sure to wash them thoroughly under running water, scrubbing away any dirt. Then, using a fork, pierce each potato about 6 to 8 times all around. This crucial step prevents them from exploding in the microwave by allowing steam to escape safely. Now, let's get cooking. Place your prepared potatoes directly onto the microwave turntable or on a microwave-safe plate. For optimal results and even cooking, it's best to cook 1 or 2 potatoes at a time. Microwave them on high power for an initial 5 to 10 minutes. Be sure to flip them over halfway through the cooking time to ensure they cook evenly on all sides. This helps achieve that perfectly tender texture. Once the initial cooking time is up, it's time to check if your potatoes are perfectly done. You can gently squeeze the potato. It should feel soft and yielding. Alternatively, pierce it with a fork or a small knife. It should slide in easily with little resistance. If not, microwave for additional 1-minute intervals until tender. After cooking, let the potatoes rest for about 2 to 5 minutes. This allows the internal temperature to equalize, resulting in a more consistent texture. Your perfectly cooked microwave potatoes are now ready to enjoy. Carefully slice each potato open lengthwise, being mindful of the hot steam. Use a fork to fluff up the soft interior, creating a light and airy texture. A dollop of butter, a sprinkle of salt, and a dash of freshly ground pepper are classic additions. Then, get creative with your favorite toppings, whether it's sour cream, fresh chives, shredded cheese, or even some crispy bacon bits. Enjoy your quick and delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.